What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Denver Beer and Oil, DBO. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace your transmission input shaft seal. Now, this is applicable to pretty much all BMW manual transmissions and probably a lot of other ones. So, going right into it here. First thing you want to do is remove the extension tube right here. This is what the clutch fork and the throwout bearing ride on. So remove that. There's 4 5mm Allens. Use a socket, remove those. And I'm going to show you the easiest way to do this. And you're going to laugh when you see how easy this is. It looks kind of intimidating and it sucks that you have to pull your transmission off. That's a bummer. But this is literally a 5-second replacement job here. Phillips screwdriver, small sheetrock screw, essentially, or a sheet metal screw. Doesn't really matter. Put it right in the middle of your seal. Give it 2 good hits. Screw her in. And you'll notice, as I start to screw it, it lifts the seal right out, or started to. But so basically behind this, I've got one removed, and I'll finish pulling this out in a sec. Behind this, there's a bearing. So yes, you have to be careful, but the bearing is a lot more resilient than that seal is, I promise you that. Just grab a set of these 90-degree pliers. You can get them at Harbor Freight for literally like $5, no big deal. And then I hook it under the screw. I put another screw in off camera, just 180 degrees out from the other one. So I put another screw in and then I pry it on it, and then boom, look at that. Comes right out. No big deal. So it's an $11 seal. Part number is 0770-080-373 if you want to do this. Anyway, very common thing. These leak. Replace it. If you've got your trans out, might as well. It's super easy. So cool. Hope you enjoyed the video. Tell your friends about us. Subscribe, like, do all the YouTube things. Thanks, guys. Later.